Now moving on to the top story of the day. Former Karnataka Chief Minister Kumaraswamy's son Nikhil Kumaraswamy got hitched today, and that amid the nationwide lockdown. However, visuals accessed by India Today show that there was social distancing norm clearly violated at this wedding gathering. None of the attendees are seen by wearing masks or even maintaining enough distance from each other. Visuals accessed are now revealing that over 50 people attended the wedding bash in Karnataka. Remember, closed-door weddings are permitted with at least 75 to 100 guests. And this rule had been laid down by Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa on 22nd March. However, following India Today's expose, Karnataka government has taken cognizance of this VVIP matter of the violation. Karnataka's Deputy Chief Minister Ashwath Narayan has said he will seek a report from the SP and the DC and added action will be taken if norms are found to be violated. Media, meanwhile, was not permitted to cover this event. However, the government has claimed these orders were not given by them.
Particularly, this issue was in limelight. Even after a lot of warning and intimation, if any kind of violation has happened, we need to find out and suitable action will be taken against the concerned people.
Media have been stopped at the Ramnagar entrance, district entrance here, coming in from Bengaluru to make sure that they don't cover Kumaraswamy's son's wedding here. The police have stopped all the media here. To my left, if you can see, all the media are here waiting to enter Ramnagar district, and the police too have a list of 21 cars of only VVIP cars are being allowed. That's the list that the police have in their hand, and only those cars are being allowed. They don't even have car passes, these 21 cars. They're all luxury end cars, and they are being allowed to enter Ramnagar district and witness the Kumaraswamy's son's, Nikhil Kumaraswamy's wedding. When media questioned the police, they said that they have got orders from the seniors that media should not be allowed. We are 15 kilometers away from the wedding venue. As you can see here, every car is being stopped and monitored. They have come down with their own list saying that inter-district car pass is needed. The DGP and the ADGP Law and Order have not given any instructions, but the district police here are making sure that no one's being allowed. In fact, the media also, you can see how tight the security is here. The traffic of all the essential goods like the milk and vegetable trucks are all piled up here because of the police at the entrance here of Ramnagar district. We tried reaching out to seniors here, but none of them came onto the phone or spoke to the media. There seems to be like a nexus between the present incumbent government and the family that is hosting the wedding here, because without the government's instruction, why would the police stop the media to enter Ramnagar district? Nagarjun Dwarkanath for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.